everyone, I'm Zishan Shah and welcome to Z Interactive YouTube channel, your own training institute. So let's do our next session here. And in this lesson, we will learn how we can apply small dots or small dents on the metal surface. This is what we have done previously as well in chapter 4. So we'll do the same thing here, but with a different approach here. So let's move all these items to the left side to make some room. Now, first thing first here is we need a blending node. And temporarily I'll change it to add so we can see everything and what's going on. Now we have a couple of different methods to create small dents or bigger dents or large dents, whatever size you want. So we will see which one suits much more better for our locker here. What I'm going to do is that should go here. Oh, it's not straight. Let's see. Okay. What I'm going to do here is that first of all, I'll bring up some spots here. Let's see what sort of spots we have. So we have Gaussian spots 1 and we have Gaussian spots 2. So let's bring up the Gaussian spots 1 here. Now, because it have to be smaller. So what I will do here is that I'll increase the scale of it. Okay. I think that's fine. And maybe we can disorder it a little bit. Now, there I have a lot of spots over here. So to reduce these spots, let's add some levels over here, and then with the levels we can control it. So let's push this back here in order to reduce the number of like black area, to reduce the black area. We have some selective. Let's move it more. So I think that will be enough. Later on, we can also like change to whatever we are looking for. Now, what we can do here is let's try something here. Let's add a flood fill to it. And we'll get something out of it like this. And then we will choose flood fill to grayscale. Or flood fill to gradient. Let's try flood fill to gradient. Okay, and here we'll choose 1. I will copy and paste this one here. And this time what I will do is that I will change the angle variation to something like this. Okay, this is here, here, and then I will make one more copy, Control C, Control V. Move them a little bit upwards. And the last one here, I will keep it in the middle, like 0.5. So angle variation of the first angle variation is 0, second is 0.5, third is second is 1, third is 0.5, and first one is 0. So what I will do here is that I will blend them both, blend all of these, all these 3. Okay, so put these 2 here and add, or let's just check max. Yeah, max is better. And then I will go here, blend one more time, put this here, that it will stay neat and clean, and use max again. So we'll have this sort of it. angle like variation here. Let's see one thing. Let's change the middle, like the variation of the middle one. So can we more? No, I don't think. Let's turn the angles here. Okay, now things looks better. Now what we are going to do is that I will just plug it in, okay, to the foreground of our blend, and you will see it's all over the place, just like this, popping out. And this is not what we are looking for. What we are looking for is subtract. It should go inwards, but it's too strong. You can see here, it's too strong, just like a heavy bullet. So we have to control this with our levels. So I'll add level here, and then I will reduce the amount of white to it so it can push it outwards instead of something like this. And then later on we can add here blur HQ to make it a little softer. We'll up the quality, reduce the intensity. And a little bit more white we will pull out of it. Okay, so we have these dents here now. What else we can do is that just push it up here. And I'll take this blend, the same blend that we used, and pull it out and add distance to it. Okay, and the distance is too high, so maybe 0.1. Let's see, before and after. Okay, and then we'll apply Gaussian blur to it. Or sorry, again I said Gaussian blur. Blur HQ. Before doing that, let's add a blend node. Okay, with the shift key I will move this here, and these two, or like these two nodes, like from the blur HQ of the small dots and the one with the distance, I will add all both of them here and use add value, or we can see what else we can use here. I think max will be better. And here I'll add a levels node here. Okay, I think instead of max, we'll just use add. And in the levels, I will reduce the white amount of this newly created one. it will just give a hint of a bigger dent, because when the small dent is there, it will affect a little bit around, like the surrounding. Now I can add here Gaussian, sorry, blur HQ, not Gaussian, blur HQ. Okay, and then I'll up the quality here and reduce the intensity a bit. 0.1, I guess. Or let's try 0.2, 0.3, and go here a little bit. I need the white here. Okay, and we can reduce the white amount from the smaller dents as well. Okay, so you can see there are a lot of dents going on here. So what we can do is that to reduce the number of dents, we can go back to the origin where we were adding these. So we can push this black more inwards, so we can have more black area and less white area. So we can have less number of dents. So yeah, that's what we need, just few. Save it up, and then what we are going to do here is that we are going to create a mask for the smaller dents, not the bigger one. I don't think the bigger one we might I don't think we'll need any sort of a mask from the bigger dents. Okay, but for the smaller dents we do need. So I will just go here and create levels, and I'll make sure everything goes to white side. That's done, and I will add a comment over here, and I will type here small dense mask. Okay, and then I'll add another comment down here, and this will be small dense. And add a comment here. Here's I'll write large dent or big dents or whatever you want to write there. So we got our dents here. Now what I'm going to do is that right click here, add a frame, make it a little bigger, and I'll call this dents. So here we have our dents on our locker. So I hope you have learned something out of this lesson, and thanks a lot everyone for joining this lesson. I'm really great, really thankful to you all for supporting me, and I hope to receive your support continuously. I have noticed that many of you are watching my videos but not have subscribed to my channel yet. So please subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon so you can receive all the notifications which I'm about to create, and I will be uploading them soon. If you have liked my video, so please hit the like button, and if you have any queries or questions, then leave them in the comment section below and I will answer them as soon as possible. And one request I have, and that is, I have noticed that some of the viewers do not watch my videos online and instead they download them. So please, if anyone is doing that, and if you find someone doing this, then please stop them, because this will never help me to get my hard work paid off, and it will demotivate me. So I don't want to stop making tutorials for you all. Therefore, help me to get some new subscribers. I will take off now, everyone, and take care, guys, till we meet in the next class. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep learning on Z Interactive, your own training institute.
There is one important announcement I would like to make. I have started 3 great membership plans on my channel. I have introduced ZI Friends membership plan, which will give you exciting perks like loyalty badges and priority on comments. I have also introduced ZI Early Bird plan, which will give access to Z Interactive tutorials way early before they become public. So you will get all these lessons at once and you can binge watch. Last but not the least, I have introduced ZI Premium plan, which will give access to advanced professional tutorials, which you will find at very expensive outside, and I will be giving this at a very low amount of price. So visit my channel now and click on the join membership to get more information. I hope you become one of my members. If you want to learn how to create a highly detailed prop procedurally using Substance Designer, so this premium tutorial series is for you. Join my premium membership plan on YouTube and get access to all premium tutorials. In this tutorial series, I will demonstrate how to use Substance Designer along with simple geometry to create a realistic, smashed up retro television.